Hello, Math 24 students, and welcome to week 2. Yay! We all made it through week 1. It's always really challenging that first week. There's so much to figure out and get organized and figure out your schedule. But it'll get worked out, you'll see. It always takes me till about the third or fourth week of a semester to figure out how everything's going to fit together. So this is your home page, and each week I add a button. So if you scroll down, you'll see now there's a week 2 module button. When you click this, Canvas always does a little jump like you just saw. So pause for a second or two before you try and click on something, because I can't tell you how many times I click on the wrong thing because the page jumps. So give it a second to settle. So this is a week 2 module, and notice that week 2 has prerequisites. So you won't be able to start on week 2 until you finish week 1 and module 0. So those are all the week 1 assignments, all the getting started things, read the syllabus and so on, signing up for the apps. And then week 1 had a quick quiz, a discussion board, and a journal. So I put the first homework assignment in week 1 so that you could get started on it. And so because I put the homework assignments there, I also put all the learning resources there. I will be asking you to view everything the first couple of weeks until I know you know where things are, and then I won't be requiring you to view everything. So you will need to look at these quizzes for the lecture videos, because what they actually are is the lecture video with a quiz embedded. So they go with this course pack notes, and this is a digital version of what you can buy at the bookstore in a packet. So it's up to you whether you'd rather work on a digital copy or a paper copy. But you are going to need to fill in all the blanks in the course pack notes according to what you see in these lecture videos. So it's the very same course pack notes I go through in the videos and give you everything you need to fill in the blanks. So they're meant to go together. The nice thing about the lecture videos is if I'm going too slowly for you, you can speed up the video. You can watch it at 1.5 times speed or even double speed. So feel free to do that if that works better for you. I'm pretty hilarious at double speed. So then I also wanted to make sure you weren't waiting for your textbook to get started. So these pages right here, page 1 and 2 and 3, these are the section 7.1 homework exercises so that you have them and you can see them. They're the pages out of the book that have the problems that you need to work on for your homework. So please don't delay in getting started. I put this in week 1 so you could see it coming. So I didn't put it again in week 2 because that's a lot of stuff. I did put it again in week 3 because that's when the homework assignment is actually due on September 7th. And then I will be adding the materials for section 7.2 when we get to week 3. So week 2, you're required to complete week 1 and module 0 before you will even be able to access week 2. But after the first getting started, where I actually require you to submit things, I'm just going to be putting view. So you do need to click on it and look on it, but that's it. You don't have to do it in order to be able to move on. Just that first week, I'm trying to get you started off on the right foot. So the section 2.4 homework is due on September 2nd, and then it's not very long after that that the section 7.1 homework is due. So I would get started on it. So it's due September 7th, but it's going to take a while. So definitely don't wait till the last minute. These videos are each about 15 minutes long, so it's going to take at least an hour to go through the videos and fill in your course pack notes. So it's divided into smaller segments in case you don't have a big chunk of time to do it all at the same time. So this video I'm making right now, I'm going to be putting in week 2, and it'll be available there to view. And I want to make sure you see what's coming up. So you have two quick quizzes. One's due Monday, one's due Thursday. And we go over the quick quizzes in the Zoom sessions. So Quick Quiz 2 is due Monday, but if you want to wait until after the Zoom session on Tuesday to turn it in, that's totally fine. All of the due dates are always suggestions for helping you keep on track. The assignment doesn't close, and I don't do any kind of a late penalty. I want you to be able to arrange the work so that it works well for you. I'm trying to take away any time pressure. I don't want students at 11:45 at night feeling like they have to get something slammed together and put in because it's going to be midnight. There are no deadlines in this class except for the end of the 16-week semester. So please do the things when it works for you, except the discussion board. The discussion boards will close on Sunday night because nobody's going to go back and read your discussion post the following week. So those can't be done after the fact. But everything else, it's flexible, but please don't use that as an invitation to procrastinate. So I hope you all have a great week. And you do have a classmate that's been badly impacted by the fire. So if you could just send good thoughts to all those people who are really struggling because of the fires, that would be really thoughtful. Thanks.